How to log out from your Gmail account in your laptop or computer. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can log out from your Google account or your Gmail. So let us get started. First of all, head over to your Chrome and then open up your Gmail. After you do that, you should see a lot of options here. Now what you need to do is tap on your icon on the top right. After you tap on it, you will see many options here like your other accounts. Now to sign out, you will need to sign out from all of your accounts. So tap on sign out from all accounts and just let it load. And now you'll get on your, sign in page. Now let me change this to English and there we go. Now what you'll want to do to completely log out is remove an account. Simply tap on remove and remove an account that you want to log out from and you're basically done. And that is how you do it guys, and that is all for the video. Stay tuned for more and bye bye.